I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. See my little stuff so you can see what I'm doing tonight. So I got the ramen noodles. First, I'm going to start off by saying this is a challenge that I was challenged at. I was challenged by seven Lex Fairy to do this sour noodle challenge. But this challenge was originated and started by SABOTV I. So go check him out. His name is going to be in the description, so you can shoot to his page and check out his video. So I want to make sure I gave him his credit. Shout out to SABOTV I. This was his challenge, sour noodles, where you take a pack of noodles, mix it with a pack of Kool-Aid, and see how much you can eat. So I'm going to take, I didn't have beef, so I'm using chicken. So I'm just putting my noodle packet in here really quick and mix this up. I got this funny feeling that this is going to be like real nasty, but I wasn't challenged by Sable. I was challenged by, like I said, seven Lex Fairy. So go check out her channel as well. And hopefully she's going to do this challenge because she challenged me to it. So, yeah. I'm going to try my best to do it, guys. I'm doing it for the QTs out there. I'm doing it for all my QTs out there. So, here we go. I picked, blue raspberry lemonade as my thing. Now, the noodles taste good right now because it's just the chicken flavor, but this is about to step it up a notch. It's probably going to be to a notch that I don't want. Here we go. Now, it's already turning my hands dark. I should have probably not. Oh, this is going to be a blue mess. I should have did this on Halloween or something. Ugh. I already see it. See that, guys? It's about to be a hot mess over here. Let me mix this up real good. I was hoping that maybe the lemon can help me out a little bit. I can smell the lemon real strong, so maybe if it's just like a lemony kind of taste, maybe that can help me get it down. But it's definitely coloring the noodles. But again, if you know Kool-Aid, you know that's what Kool-Aid does. It colors the noodles. So I'm trying to mix it all in so it's not like clumps of noodles all over the place. This is getting on my hand, but it don't smell bad so far. So I'm about to get started. Yeah. Alright, seven Lex Fair, you. Woo! I would not have done this challenge if it wasn't for her. But you know, Queen, she can't back down for no challenge. Lord, let me make it through these noodles and not vomit. Amen. Here we go, guys. First bite. I wish you guys could eat this with me because, oh, I don't know what is making me feel right now. Here we go. Oh, Okay. I'm going to go ahead and say, the blue raspberry lemonade. Ooh. Ooh. Blue raspberry lemonade ain't the one. It's like you can faintly taste the, ooh, I don't see, I put a big healthy piece in. It tastes like the this stuff is really not mixed. Like almost like you need a little bit of liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and just do myself and put just a little dab of water in it. I just need a little. It's just I just gotta put a little dab of water in it. Just trying to make sure there's not just clumps of the Kool-Aid in there. Ooh. And you know how saturated it is because a pack of Kool-Aid almost make a half a gallon of Kool-Aid juice. So yeah. Whew. One bite. Oh, excuse me. You already hear me burping, so I don't know where this is gonna go. Woo. Ooh. I don't know if this is good burps or bad burps. Here we go. Okay. I ain't gonna focus on it. I'm not gonna focus on its taste. Ooh. It's just so strong with taste. Now I want to eat some noodles, but I almost would rather ate the hot ones. Okay, I'm done. See that? Okay, y'all got this challenge. That last one you saw me had to spit it out. I'm done. I can't. I need some water. Woo! This was a short one. Shout out to Miss C. It was a short one, not a long one. It's a short one, not a long one. I can't. This is disgusting. I'll show me belching. There's no way. There's no way. Shout out to Sabo again for creating this challenge. I couldn't do it. I don't know who in the devil can do this. But shout out to everybody who tried this challenge. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and throw this mess out and get myself something to eat. I tried to say it, hoping if I made my stomach empty, maybe I'll feel hungry and want to eat it. Oh, no. This thing is one step from vomit. That's where I'm at right now. Yeah. That third bite just... I got the three, okay, only did two, and successfully got them down. The third one, nope. So it was a no for your girl. Second failed challenge. Guys, I'm going to keep on striving. I'm going to win one of these challenges, but this one is not the one. As you can see, I still have a whole bowl full of it left. I had to get it out of my mouth. I couldn't do it. My gag reflex is serious. I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. So, guys, again, grab some noodles. All I had is chicken and handle beef for whatever reason. I usually have different flavors, but only had beef. And shout out to my candle. That has nothing to do with anything, but it matches the same color as that. What a coincidence. Okay. Shout out to my noodles and my candle stand that's holding my noodles up. I'm going to go ahead and say, don't try the blue raspberry if you do this challenge, because that is disgusting. But I'm pretty sure all of them is going to have that sour taste. Oh, excuse me. Guys, if you hear me burping, because this stuff is disgusting. I'm lucky I didn't just throw up all over everywhere, because this crap is nasty. I mean, like, my stomach rejected it. I'm just sorry it rejected it. See? Thumbnail. Let me see. This is disgusting, guys. So I'm not going to sit here and hold you guys here. Woo, man. Funny story though, if any of you guys remember back in the day, people like girls used to take Kool-Aid and put it in their hair and dye their hair. Well, never let me do it, but Kool-Aid really, if you take Kool-Aid, put water and put it into your hair, there's like a kind of like a temporary dye. I'm sure it's extra messy because you know how dye stains, so it would stay in your hair for a little bit. I wouldn't suggest that, and I'm not suggesting anyone who is watching to do that. I just was telling the story of my past, which I didn't do it in the past, so I don't know what would be the effects. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm not any type of professional that can tell you what the effects would be. I don't suggest it. Again, I do not. I repeat, I do not suggest it. So, guys, let me get up out of here. I'm gonna roll up out of here because I'm not down with this mess. This mess is nasty, and your girl almost threw up. Okay, so hopefully I can get down with another video, guys. Until next time, which will be tomorrow, guys. Bye, QTs. I hope everybody's good out there. I hope everybody enjoyed their Halloween. Put in the comments what you did for Halloween if you dressed up. See my nails? My orange nails is about to be gone. Oh, man. All right, guys. I'm going to go. I keep burping. I got to go. Peace.
I had some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.